At nananawagan din ako kay Chairman Garcia, hanggang nandiyan ka, magugulo itong eleksyon Kasi he is no longer the chairman He is now the spokesperson and the spokesperson of Miro. Di ba? Hindi natin nakikita sino ba talaga yung CEO ng Miro joint venture. Sino ba yung mga nagpapaliwanag? Ano ba yung mga problema? Wala. Si Chairman Garcia lang lahat So parang lumalabas siya na yung siya na yung CEO ng ng Miro joint venture.
Have you done any research on Miro Systems? Because we saw an investigative research of PCIJ, which is a report of investigative journalism, that Miro was used in elections in Congo, Iraq, and Kyrgyzstan, or countries with struggling democracies. And it was dubbed as cheating machines during Congo's recent elections.
Yes. Actually, I already told the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms about these red flags. Pero hindi nila
So you're aware of this report?
Yes, yes. Okay. I was the one who told the committee yung mga red flags. For example, wala namang experience ang Miro kundi yung mga authoritarian governments. Iraq, Nicaragua, Russia, Congo. For example, in Congo, 49% of machines hindi nag-malfunctions. Kaya at na-delay yung elections nila for 6 months because hindi na sa timeline hindi na i-deliver yung mga machines. In Iraq, 79% nung special elections nila hindi natuloy because of machine malfunctions, kaya nag-revert sila into manual elections. Bukod pa dyan, ang developer ng algorithm sa kanang software is the Moscow State University, Russia. So may problema tayo, dapat tingnan din. Merong geopolitical problem tayo with China, and China is the closest ally of Russia. Ayan, sinabi natin lahat yan. Pero hindi pinansin lahat yan. At, pero ang pinakamabigat dyan, it's against the law. One, it's never been used in any country in the world. Our elections will be a guinea pig for Miro. We will be turned into a guinea pig. It's an experiment by this system is Miro. At yung sa mga several press releases at appearances ni Chairman George Garcia, every time nag-iiba yung sistema na sinasabi niya about the machine.
Okay.
And actually nag-demonstrate ako, pinakita ko na ito ay magkakaroon ng malaking problema sa election day kung ito yung gagamitin. Okay.